me, Alex, again. Why do I always throw a peace sign?
Hey everybody, it's me, Alex, again. Since today is the first day of October and we're getting ready for Halloween and everything, I decided to start off with a Halloween look, and it's gonna be, well, you already know by the title of this video, it's gonna be a pumpkin. Looks, I already started. I am gonna do just anyway eyeliner, just to trace where I am gonna go with that black. And it doesn't matter really because you're a messed up pumpkin.
Okay, once we have outlined where we're going to go in with the black, I am going to get my subculture. I'm going to go with Rowdy. And it's a very, it's a dark purple, but it is really pigmented, so it does look like it's black. So I'm going to go with that one for now. I'm just shading everywhere.
I am halfway. So I'm gonna try to use just one palette this for this look, or maybe two, but I did decide to go with the Anastasia, the Subculture, because I did see that it was in like TJ Maxx and like Marshalls. It was like $25, I think, but I got this palette once, like when it barely came out. But at that, since it's so affordable right now, who doesn't want to get really good eye looks on a budget? You know what I'm saying? Also, hold up, I don't know why am I outlining my mouth. It's gonna go black. So you see how it's really pigmented? It looks black. So this palette is really good for that, for pigmentation. I know a bunch of people were like complaining about how pigmented it was, but I mean, isn't that what you want at the end of the day? Something pigmented? I don't know. Everybody has their own opinion, but I thought this palette was really good. We're gonna do the nose now. We're gonna go back to the white, and we're gonna trace however we want the nose. So you kind of want to do like a V. And then you want to go like a U. So yeah, you outlined. Sing, Rowdy. Oops. Oops.
You see, pitch black. And we got that. Just like that. Okay, now I'm gonna go with New Wave and get a nice round brush. I am gonna go like a little bit on top of the black. This is where it gets difficult. Don't let the black meet the orange. Like, you know, it's just like a little fade. Like that. You're gonna go a little bit. And the orange, you want to drag a little bit up. I am breaking out, so sorry. I thought about making this video a lot because I'm breaking out, stressing. But I'm like, I can't ruin my good mood of the holidays getting here. looks hella messy. Hold on.
You're gonna go next on your nose, around where you painted it, and then you're gonna give yourself a little contour on your nose with the orange too. So you're gonna drag it out. Don't be afraid to play with orange. Just and go around your eyes too. You're a motherfucking pumpkin. You need to be orange.
Go next with Fudge from the same palette. This is very pigmented, so grab just like once, hit it, make sure you tap it out in your hand, in your wrist, and you're gonna go, don't go on the black, just a little bit, on top, like that, lightly, then you're gonna blend it out. You know how it looks so harsh? Blend it up, not down, up. You just need to hit it once.
So you are gonna go with an eyeliner. I am gonna go with my NYX. I am gonna overdraw the black so it can be a little bit more defined. I did say already on this side, so I just need this side. This is where you really test if you can do a straight line. Fool, this is hard. Other thing I want to say. So since you are a pumpkin, you've been thrown around and shit. You look a little bit patchy, you know. So it's okay. You're a little bit messy. You're a messy pumpkin. You've been thrown. Not everybody chooses you. You're not the right pumpkin to everybody. So you become this. Boom, chicka boom. With the same eyeliner, you are gonna make some little dots around. Cause like I said, you're a pumpkin. You're a thug. I'm kidding, no. You're a pumpkin. There's holes in you. There's, I don't know. This is getting intense. This just turned into a life lesson video. It's not about the pumpkins no more. It's about your life. I'm kidding. My Dragon Hill palette, gonna get the black shade because I feel like it do have a little bit of patches. So I'm gonna go with a more rounded brush and go over them. Back to this brush, I am gonna get the same brown, the Rowdy. And again, since you're pumpkin, this is optional, you don't have to. I am gonna make like a little and maybe just go a little bit under your eye. I'm gonna go with my Aurora. I did just get this today. I'm gonna go with Luna. Sneak just like my dog.
I'm gonna get Luna, maybe a little bit of Eclipse. And just highlight. What do I think? I'm just gonna highlight without a mirror. Bitch. Highlight. And it is Halloween, so you can go all the way up. Be exaggerated, girl. Don't matter. Exaggerating life. Be you. Who gives up? You're a pumpkin. You've been damaged alive, so.
The final look. Okay, so I am gonna be posting 1 to 2 looks for Halloween each week, maybe up to 3. You never know if you're lucky enough. This is my first one for October the 1st, so you can get in the spirit with me. So make sure to give it a like. It looks so weird talking. You just see my teeth. Make sure to like, subscribe, let your friends know, and subscribe so you can keep up to the next video. Bye. Thank you everybody, and I have a takis in my hand. Okay, bye.